Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love with Ethna. Yes, today I am here to show you my hibiscus on my rooftop garden. Here you can see the different varieties of hibiscus. You can see this is the pink color of hibiscus and just see my planter. Okay, this is the planter and this is the planter of Asian paints, the paint bucket. Different type of planters I am using here and different type of shades of hibiscus in my rooftop garden. This is the lavender color. This is the Chinese variety, the small one, but you can get a number of flowers. This is the Indian type, white one. This is the giant variety of hibiscus. You can see them. And this is the yellow one, and this is the layered hibiscus. This one is the white colored hibiscus, the giant variety, but there are so many birds are there, but they are still have to wait for bloom. Here you can see the another variety. This is the pink variety. This is the pink variety of hibiscus, and here it is. You in Bengali we can say lonka joba, the small size. They are like chilies. This type of hibiscus. And what type of care I have taken for them is that I always give some little much of water. I always prefer to give them bath, because by bath they are growing very well. Instead of giving water just directly to their root, I always prefer to give them a bath. And the fertilizer I have given, that is already been shared to you. That is, again I am telling, I always dilute all the master seed paste or powder or cake in water, and simultaneously I always prefer to give the cow dung by diluting just with the mixture of mustard powder. I am not giving cow dung directly to the plants, those plants which are in the planters, and definitely some vermicompost. I am not giving any vegetable type of compost. I always prefer to give the vermicompost to them, and because they are in the planters, so I have to taken care of their water. If there is I am giving much of water, then the leaves of the plants will be turns yellow like this is the rainy season, that is why most of the plants leaves are turns yellow, because they are getting much more water. So here we have to taken care of them, how much water they are actually need, because this is the plastic type of planters. They are very the water is going very easily, but the problem is the drainage system of these planters is very nice, but the problem is that the requirement of the water is very less to them. But those planters in the mud, this type of planters, they require much more water, so we have to taken care of that, as because they are in the rooftop, they are getting too much of heat, so we have to taken care of that also. So in by the heat they, the edges of these leaves not turn brown, so we have to taken care of that. So here you can see my rooftop garden, and also the hibiscus I am here. There are many types of hibiscus that is also in my garden, that is in my front garden, just just downstairs it is there. But here I am keeping all these plants, all these hibiscus, and this is the care process I am taken place for my hibiscus. So friend, if you finding this video is useful for you, so please tell me how it is, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, that is Versatile Love with Ethna. So till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye. Tata, bye bye with my princess. There are so many princes. Again, I am just trying to reveal their faces. Yes. Okay, they are angels for me. Okay, till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye.